Good morning, students. Welcome back to Alchemy online class. How are you, kids? I believe you all are fine. Students, today we're going to start with the new chapter that is about more on Microsoft Windows 7. We know that Windows 7 is the operating system, right? There are different operating systems. Windows is a widely used operating system in today's era, right? In current era. There are different versions. In this chapter, we will be focused on Microsoft Windows 7 and the latest is 2010. Okay. Kids, in this chapter, we will explore different features of Windows 7 like we will learn to locate components of a Windows in Windows 7, displaying the windows side by side, moving and resizing a window, how to open the control panel, how to change the appearance of windows, how to customize the taskbar. We will learn to configure the date, time, mouse setting, and removing certain softwares from your computer, and how to change the appearance of a tablet. Okay, kids, in your previous classes we have learned about the Microsoft Windows operating system, right? You know how the windows in the Windows operating system look. I have shown in the picture also. Are you able to see this? Well, there you can see the forward button is there, backward button, address bar, minimize button, maximize button, menu bar, close button, status bar, scroll bar, etc. Right? We will explore one by one. First, we'll see what is the forward button. Forward button is nothing else when you move to the previously viewed folder and you want to come back to the same folder where you were. That button is used. For that purpose, forward button is used. Backward button, back button. The button takes you previously viewed folder. That is going one step back. Address bar. It means it shows the location or address of the current window. Coming to the menu control bar, it contains the various menus and icons which is available in particular window to work with it. And minimize, you know that the windows will shrink to the taskbar. Maximize, they use to increase the size of the window to its maximum level. Close, you can close the window by clicking this button. Restore, it resizes the windows back to its original size. The next one is the scroll bar. When the matter in the window is very big in the display area, then the scroll bar will get appeared. There are two types of scroll bar, vertical and horizontal. To scroll, you have to click either the arrow buttons or you can move with the help of the dragging and dropping also. Okay, status bar. It is located at the bottom of the window. It displays the number of objects in the windows. If you have selected any file or folder, it displays the name, date, time of creation and modification. Understood? Now I will teach you how to move the window from one place to another and how to resize it. Okay. Well, there are certain steps to do this. In the screen I have shown the steps. Number one, you have to click on the top corner of the window. A menu will appear. There you will be able to see the move option. Click on the move button and then you have to move to the desired location where you want to move with the help of arrow key, and then you have to press enter. Understood? And coming to the next one, there is a resizing a window. For that you have to click on the top corner of the window. A menu bar will appear. In that you have to click size. Now you will be able to resize the position as per your desired size, and then you have to press enter. Clear, very important. Windows cannot be moved or resized when it is in the maximized position. Clear what I said? Well, now we will be learning how to display the windows side by side. In the screen I have shown you. To display, there are certain steps. First, you have to right click on the taskbar. You will be able to see the option showing the windows side by side. You need to click on that. Clear, my dear? Well, so kids, now we'll move on further to the control panel. Control panel is a very important part in the computer system. You should not do any changes in control panel without having a proper knowledge, because it may crash your system. So what you have to do, you have to do the changes in presence of the elder, teacher, or the person who is good in computer. Clear what I said? Well, so now I will teach you how to open control panel. Okay, and I will also teach you to configure some of the settings in the control panel. Number one, how to open control panel. For that, you have to click the start button. Then there you will be able to see the control panel option. And these control panel options you can view in three categories. One is a category. Category means it will be grouped in a categorized way. Large icons, everything is shown, but in a large icon, big images will be there. And in small icon, it will be very small. Clear? Well, kids, now we will be learning a very important thing, that is changing the appearance of window. Sometimes what happens, you want to change the background, windows color, even you want to set screensaver. These all things we can do it with the help of the control panel. We'll see how to do it. First, you have to open the control panel. Then you have to click on the appearance and personalization. There you have to click the personalization option, and then it is up to you which theme you want to select, and then you have to click on the apply. There itself you will be able to change the Windows color, screensaver. You can set the screensaver, desktop background, and sounds of the computer system. Now I will teach you how to customize the taskbar. For that, you have to open control panel. Then you have to click the taskbar and the start menu option. There you will be able to find the properties. In that properties, you can, for example, there are two properties. One is the auto hide. What will happen? Auto hide, the option will get the taskbar will get disappear when you click on it. And if you want to get it back, you have to move your cursor to the bottom of the window. And the auto peek to preview the desktop. This option also lets you peek into the desktop if you have lot of windows open. This means all the open windows will turn transparent. So kids, these are all the settings to customize the taskbar. Understood? Well, and now I will teach you how to configure the date and time. You can see there, dear, the date and time is shown on the system tray on the right bottom, right on the right bottom. To do the changes in date and time, first you have to open control panel. Then you have to go to the clock, language, and region group. There you will be able to see date and time. When you click on it, the dialog box will appear. You can do the changes accordingly. Clear what I said? You can change the date, time, hours, and thereafter you have to click on OK. Clear? Well, kids, now we will learn how to configure the mouse settings. Yes, kids, change pointers type, pointers movement speed, double click speed, and pointers trail. Now what is pointers type here? You can change the shape of the mouse pointer. And coming to the movement of speed, the speed which moves on the screen, the mouse speed which moves on the screen. Double click, how quick you are pressing the mouse button twice. Pointer trails, it is the animated trail behind the mouse pointer which make it easier to see it on the screen while it is in motion. So now I will teach you how to do these changes. First, we have to open control panel, and there you can see hardware and sound. Inside the category, you will be able to see the mouse in that device and printer option. When you click on that, the property window will get appeared. That is a mouse property. There you can do the configuration. You can also change the double click speed. There itself you can see the drag and drop is there. If you move towards slow, the click speed will get reduced, and if you move towards the fast, the click speed will get faster. Okay. Now, and the next thing which we're going to learn is the changing the pointers type. For that, you have to click on the pointer tab. There itself you can see. Okay. Then click on the browse button. A new window will appear. Select the pointer shape of your mouse, and then you have to click on open. If you wish, you can take the inbuilt shape also. This is the way to set the pointers type. Well, Very important part which you're going to learn now is removing the software. It means uninstalling. In computer term we say is uninstall. The unwanted software is present or any app is present, you can uninstall it. For that you have to open control panel, move to program, then click the uninstall program from the programs and features. A list of software will be listed. Select the software which you want to remove, and then you have to click on uninstall. Clear, then yes. After completion of the removing dialog box, another dialog box appears for us confirming there is a OK button will be there plus OK. The last thing which we're going to learn in this chapter is changing the appearance of tablet. For that you have to open this option in the screen. A list of options will appear. You have to click on the system setting, then display. There you have to go to device section. The various display options appear on the right hand side, like brightness, wallpaper, theme, timeout, and font size. According to your view, you have to set it. So with this, our chapter gets over. So these are all the things which we learned today. Clear? In our next class, we'll come with our new session. Till then, bye bye. See you on next class.